हेलो, आज आपको दिखाएंगे समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी वेरी यूनिक बिकॉज दिस इज द ओनली रेडी टू मूव इन प्रॉपर्टी अवेलेबल इन ग्रीन पार्क एज ऑन टुडे in a 321 square yards property. This is a ground and basement triplex. This is a 4-year-old building. This has got a separate gate of a parking. And come in, I'll show you something which is very unique because this comes with a home theater. ये है वो पार्किंग स्पेस और ये सेपरेट गेट जो आपको इस प्रॉपर्टी के साथ मिलता है. इसमें आप आराम से 3 कार पार्क्स कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ योर एक्सक्लूसिव एंट्री टू योर अपार्टमेंट. सो दिस इज़ लाइक अ मिनी बंगलो दैट यू गेट. वंस यू क्लोज दिस डोर, आपके ये 3 लेवल्स लॉक हो जाते हैं. ये आपके स्ट्रीट लेवल पे लॉबी एरिया है जहाँ पे आप ऑब्वियसली छोटा सा सिट आउट, छोटा सा any kind of an artifact that you can place. And this is your exclusive lift that you have covering all the 3 levels. And this is the staircase that takes you to the ground floor level. So come, I'll show you the ground floor level along. So ground floor level पे आपको मिलता है सबसे पहले coffee. And this is your drawing in a dining space area. मतलब look at the space. This is just the drawing room space. Other than this open area, which can of course be converted into many other things altogether, with some kind of, you could say, the metal के जो आजकल partitions आ रहे हैं वो use up कर सकते हैं. This is a separate dining space right opposite to your kitchen here. The kitchen itself is very very useful in terms, this is the size of a kitchen other than a dirty kitchen which is separate. Double door refrigerator placed, Faber के सारे equipments already placed. You can conceal the kitchen through this door, and this is your first bedroom. So very comfortable, very cozy house, already completely done. तो आप देख सकते हैं किस तरीके से उस रूम के अंदर सारे फर्नीचर की प्लेसमेंट करने के बाद मुझे इतना वाइडर स्पेस ऑफ एले मिलता है. And this overlooks a balcony space in the front, which is about a 7 feet wide balcony in a wide road in front of the house, जो भी आपने starting में देखा, with this complete wardrobe solutions which has already been done. And this is the attached washroom along with it. So this is all done in Italian stone. मतलब specification wise अगर हम इसमें बात करें, this is nowhere less than a brand new floor. But हाँ, yes, this is not typically those brand new floors, but इस घर की वाइब्रेशंस आप कह लीजिए वो इस तरीके की हैं कि दिस गिव्स यू अ वेरी पीसफुल फीलिंग. एंड आई टेल यू द रीजन बिहाइंड दोज वाइब्रेशंस. बट यू हैव अ प्रॉपर मंदिर विच इज़ बीन सेट अप, अ प्रॉपर मंदिर स्पेस विच इज़ बीन ऑलरेडी सेट अप इन द हाउस, एंड दैट you can actually see while coming in, while going out of the house. आप माथा टेक के बाहर जा सकते हैं, which I feel is very very positive. So this is the frontal part of this kitchen, and यहाँ से आपके पास पीछे की तरफ आ जाते हैं बाकी के तीनों बेडरूम्स. तो आइए पीछे के बेडरूम्स देखने के लिए चलते हैं. तो जब पीछे के तीनों बेडरूम्स की तरफ आपने एक्सेस करना है, आपके पास लिफ्ट आ जाती है यहाँ पे जो इंटरनली कनेक्ट कर रही थी इन तीनों लेवल्स को. एंड दिस इज़ द बेडरूम नंबर 2. सो अगेन सेटअप करने के बाद, साइड टेबल्स प्लेस करने के बाद, स्विच बोर्ड्स प्लेस करने के बाद, you have ample space in front of the bed for you to go and move around. This is the television wall. This is an extra storage solution which is already done in the room. This is the washroom along with it, which is again, as I said, already done. This comes with a small balcony. And come quickly, I'll show you the master bedroom of this property. So this is the master bedroom for this one. So huge size, movement sizes, wardrobes इस तरफ भी हैं, उस तरफ भी हैं. So you've got a 4-door here, 4-door over there. So you have a washroom attached to this bedroom, and you can go and have a look. This is done in complete different Italian stone altogether. अब ये घर वो घर है जिसमें आपको ऑलरेडी सारी चीज़ें सेटअप करी हुई दिखाई दे रही हैं कि कितना स्पेस आपके पास मिलेगा फॉर द मूवमेंट आफ्टर प्लेसिंग अ फर्नीचर लाइक दिस. The ceilings are all done. So this is the only ready to move in 325 yard property in Green Park. If you're specifically looking for something in Green Park, so that's bedroom number 4. But we are avoiding that bedroom right now because इसमें भी सामान पड़ा हुआ है, and we will show it to you on your site visit itself. So this is the whole apartment in a single level अगर आप देखें. और जो इसकी front balcony है, that is 7 feet wide, which is the widest balcony that you get in the building. because being a ground floor, that is the size that you generally get. So let me take you to the basement and show you something which is extraordinary. So जैसे ही आप बेसमेंट की तरफ आते हो तो दिस इज़ द इंटरनल स्टेयरकेस दैट ब्रिंग्स यू टू द बेसमेंट. आप एंटर आते हैं इस तरीके की एक लॉबी के अंदर. नाउ दिस इज़ अ ब्रिलियंट कॉन्सेप्ट बिकॉज घर आप जब अपने घर पे रह रहे हैं तो प्राइवेसी वाइज आप नहीं चाहते हैं आप अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स को डिस्टर्ब करें वेन एवर दैट यू होल्डिंग अ गेस्ट और अ पार्टी और समथिंग. कम हियर. मतलब दिस इज़ एन अमेजिंग कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ मेकिंग बेसमेंट्स इन दिस मैनर वेयर दिस बिकम्स योर कंप्लीट entertainment zone for your guests, covered usable space in Delhi because weather का कोई impact नहीं है इस पे. Private lift आपकी नीचे तक land करती है. So this is technically a duplex which is like this level is available for you to use and then you have the living areas on the ground floor level. और सबसे अच्छी बात, दोस्त का घर जब आप शूट करते हो तो एक कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी जैसे एड ऑन एडवांटेजेस मिल जाते हैं. तो आइए मैं आपको बाकी दिखाता हूँ आपको इसमें आगे. When you move towards the frontal side of this plot, this is your pantry. Then there is a washroom along with it for the guest, a powder room. And look at this. मतलब अब बेसमेंट में और क्या यूटिलाइजेशन डाल सकते हो. अब ये होम थिएटर सिस्टम इन्होंने हटा दिया है अभी सारा का सारा, बट क्योंकि रीवैम्पिंग कर रहे हैं. But this kind of a space is only possible in a basement and ground triplex. And this is the only ready to move in basement and ground triplex available in Green Park in 325 square yards. ये एक आपके पास extra room है which they are using it like a store for their own stuff right now because ऊपर revamping चल रही है. तो हम usually used properties को shoot नहीं करते आए अभी तक, but दो चीज़ें, rare availability, a friend in need. I would want to capture something like this which is uniquely available in the market. And सबसे बड़ी बात that this is only 4 years old. So hardly there is anything which is gone in the building and he's again revamping the floor in any situation. So this is the best time in case if you want to buy something because then you can revamp it in your own style and of course the price is of course much better than a brand new property that you get. This comes with a separate reserve car parking for 3 cars, a separate gate. It's in a beautiful, quiet, peaceful location of a road. So this property is something who's looking forward to stay in center of South Delhi because Green Park has accessibility from all your common amenities like club, market, airport, Noida, CP, Gurgaon. This is exact center. You have a metro station around for your local convenience for staffs ने आना है, servants ने आना है या कोई भी conveniently पहुंचना चाहे इस location. But this is one of the most convenient locations. And let me give you a fun fact about Green Park. Green Park is the only locality where you do not have any liquor shop or any meat shop for that matter. Not that it matters to me, but in terms अगर कुछ communities ऐसी हैं हमारे पास इंडिया में who want to stay in a localities with a similar mindset of the people. So majority of the people in Green Park are in that Jain और मारवाड़ी communities जहाँ पे इन चीज़ों को avoid करा जाता है because of which this becomes their first preference. तो बताइएगा comment section में whether you were aware about this fact or no, and we will keep on bringing you much better properties of course as on time will pass, but we want to know whether you are liking our videos, and to show that you need to tell us in your comments what you liked, what you don't like. I don't mind having a negative comment unless it is making an impact on the information given to the rest of the viewers. So we are open for that discussion, but if you haven't liked or subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that, because this will be a forum where you will see many such properties, many more informative videos coming up soon. There are much bigger projects coming up soon, so we're looking forward to see you in the next one. See you.